Let's be real, this habit is draining your energy. You say it's harmless, just a release. But deep down, you know it's killing your focus, stealing your motivation, and making you feel like a slave to your own urges. We're not here to shame you. We're here to wake you up. What porn does to your brain. Every time you give in to porn and mindless pleasure, you're telling your brain, I don't need to chase real success. Fake pleasure is enough. You lose the hunger. You lose the edge, the power that makes men build empires. You feel tired, foggy, anxious, like you're losing control of your life. That's not a coincidence. It's a chemical war, and you're losing it every time you reach for that screen. The trap of instant dopamine porn gives you instant dopamine with no effort, no risk, no rejection. But your brain doesn't know it's fake. It thinks, I'm winning, I'm successful. But your reality? You're alone, you're stuck. You're watching your life from the sidelines. That's how addiction works. It hijacks your brain's reward system until real things like love, purpose, and goals feel boring. You can break free. But here's the truth, you can break free. You can rewire your brain. You can build unstoppable self-control. It starts with a decision, not to be perfect, but to fight back, one day at a time. Ask yourself, who do I want to be in 6 months, still stuck in this cycle? Or a man with focus, clarity, and confidence? What happens when you quit? Because when you stop wasting your energy on fake pleasure, that energy comes back to you. Your drive returns, your discipline sharpens, your vision gets clear. You walk differently, you talk differently, because you know you're in control again. You become magnetic. People will notice, you'll have more energy. You'll sleep better, less anxiety, more motivation to chase real goals. You'll feel proud of yourself, not ashamed. And that confidence, it's magnetic. It changes your relationships. It changes your future. It makes you dangerous in the best way. Your challenge starts now. So here's the challenge. Go 30 days. No porn, no masturbation. Track how you feel. Write it down. And remind yourself, you're not here to live a weak life. You're here to grow, to lead, to win. Final message. Take back your power. Your future starts with the decisions you make right now. Take back your power, fuel your mind, and become the version of you that you were born to be.